Have you ever wanted to own a large shopping centre or maybe an entire block of apartments, but you haven't got that spare, let's say 10 million aside for a deposit? Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to give you everything that you need to know about REITs, from what they are, how they work, their benefits, and of course, how you can get started investing in them. Okay, so let's break it down and go into what a REIT actually is. So REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. Now, at first, it may sound a little complex, but it really isn't. Basically, a REIT is essentially a company that owns, manages and finances real estate, and it's this real estate that goes on to produce revenue for the company and its investors. Think of properties like shopping centres, like we said, apartment buildings, or even large office spaces. These could all be owned by the REIT, and by investing in the company that owns them, you get the chance to become a small part owner of that property yourself. I like to think of a REIT as a way to own a slice of the property market without having to worry about the large deposit that you have to put down initially and that monthly mortgage, of course. This is because you can basically invest in REITs just like you would with stocks and shares, with most of the REITs being hosted on a public stock market, but more on that in a second. For now, let's go through an example of how a REIT actually works and how it's actually going to make you money. Okay, so let's say you invest into a REIT, and that REIT owns a bunch of commercial properties. Every single month, that REIT will collect rent from the people using these properties, but instead of course, keeping all of that for themselves, it will send a very large chunk of that money to you and all of the other people that own the shares within that REIT. This is essentially called a dividend, and the more shares that you own, the larger cut you're going to get. One thing that's really good about this is that with REITs, they usually pay out at least 90% of the money they make back to their investors in dividends, because there's some kind of rules around them, which makes them attractive for people looking to own income producing assets. Now, with that said, I guess that kind of leads me to talk about why REITs might be a great investment for you. And of course, one of the main ones, if you haven't worked out already, is definitely going to be accessibility. Owning shares in a REIT is a really good way of gaining some exposure to the property market without actually having to physically own anything. You can essentially start making some kind of money almost instantly with no real large capital upfront that is required from you. Another great benefit is diversification. REITs, of course, are a great way for spreading out your investments, and let's say instead of putting all of your money into one thing, like maybe a single house or a company in the form of a stock, you can have a little piece of many different buildings, and if one doesn't do well, the others are going to obviously help balance things out. We have spoke already about how they can make you money straight away, and that regular income you can get can be a great benefit. Also, as we discussed, because REITs pay out most of their money as dividends, you can get a steady stream of cash just from owning shares. Another great benefit is that they're also super easy to sell. Unlike buying and selling a house, which can take forever, or in some cases you can't even find a buyer, REITs are super easy to sell, and if you wanted to sell your shares, you can do this quickly, just like selling a stock. And the final benefit, and my personal favorite, is that you don't have to manage anything. With REITs, you don't have to worry about fixing broken things like a broken tap. You don't have to worry about collecting rent or dealing with dodgy tenants. The REIT does all of that for you, so you just get to enjoy the profits. Now, if this all sounds good to you, you may be thinking, how do I get started? Well, to invest in a REIT, you will need to do this through what is called an investment account. If you've followed this channel before, you may already know who my recommended one is, but if you're new here, I suggest checking out Trading 212, as it's perfect for beginners and is super easy to use, especially when finding REITs. If you wanted to sign up, you can do so by using the link in my description down below, and when you make your first deposit, you will actually receive a free fractional share worth up to £100. But with that said, let me take you through an example of a REIT on Trading 212 that you can find on the platform, with this one right here, which is called Realty Income. And essentially, this is one of the biggest REITs out there, and it's a monthly dividend company supported by the cash flow from over 6,500 real estate properties owned under long-term lease agreements with commercial clients. It currently has a dividend yield of 5.56% and has also seen a capital appreciation of 7.22% in the last 12 months at the time of recording this video. You can currently own one share of this company by investing in it on an app like Trading 212, and once again, at the time of recording this video, it will cost you around $56.87 to do so, and this one is based in America. Of course, like we did mention, the more shares you own, the higher the dividend you will get every single month, but always do your research when it comes to picking a REIT of your own. There's plenty in America and there's plenty in the UK as well. But just to wrap things up, REITs are a fantastic way to invest in real estate without having to buy an entire property. They offer regular income through dividends, they're super easy to invest in, and they can even grow in value over time. Now, question of the day, are you thinking about investing into REITs, and do they interest you? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.